As the sun shines in the city of El Salvador, so has our hope in searching for some things to grow in this unlikely place of salty and formerly a swampy area and home to abundant nipo plants. Take a look at this. ATI RTC-10 with its employees was able to establish this garden as a learning site under urban gardening program. It has a combination of vegetables in plots and in stand. A mini greenhouse with hydroponics garden, a mushroom culture facility, and a freshwater pond filled with hito and tilapia. Supporting the natural farming practices are the vermicomposting facility and the duckweed pond. The garden is also supported with a drip irrigation, companion planting practices, and the production of our own concoctions for fertilizers, pesticides. Located at the left side of the administration building and fronting the main gate, the mini garden is purposely placed for clients, visitors, and people in the city to see the technology and that even the small salty and swampy areas can produce food for the table. And this is not just a showcase. The garden brings new life to ATI RTC-10 employees. Working on the earth side by side, have the chance for us to know each other better. But most of all, we are having a grip of what agriculture is and its technologies, especially for those who are in the administrative section who are not in this field. There is more satisfaction in harvesting. Buying, cooking, and eating our own fruit of labor from the garden. Since its establishment as Ating Gulayan in 2019 and with the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic until today, ATI RTC-10 continues to grow and distribute seedlings to the residents of El Salvador City and to walk-in clients. As it continues with its seed banking, more gardeners will be able to receive seedlings and other benefit from the fruits of this mini garden. One will never fail when the heart works to have safe and nutritious food to be always available, especially at this time of pandemic. And people will be more happy when abundance brings additional income for the family. The sun may set in the afternoon of each day for El Salvador City, but it will rise again and again to replace the nipa plants with gardens and vegetables that will support its people alongside its economic growth.